Are you encountering the error fix D3DX9_38.DLL was not found on your system? The solution is as follows. You will have to download and install DirectX End-User Runtime. The procedure is as follows. Open the link for the DirectX End-User Runtime web installer that has been mentioned in the description section of this video. Select your language. In my case, it is English. Click on Download. As soon as the exe file downloads, click on that exe file to install the DirectX End-User Runtime web application. Click on I accept the agreement. Select Next. Uncheck Install the Bing bar. Click on Next. Let the application install and then reboot your system. This will solve the error. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.